Hello, good evening, all of you. My name is Sushant Sanjay Patil. Today's date is 15 July. I am talking about method in Java. Here, class is a collection of objects and class is a blueprint. Class is a not real word entity. Class is a not occupy memory. Object of the class is the root of a class of all class. All classes is descended from object classes directly and indirectly. Whenever you can create the class and your class extend with object class. Now see why object class is the root of the class of all these classes. For any Java class, the most common require method for every Java class is defined as in separate. Class are called as the object. Every class in the Java that is the child class of object, whether is directly and indirectly. So object class is a method by the default of available to every class, and hence the object class is considered to root of the Java classes. Short notes from if your class is a does not extend any other class, then only your class is a directly class of child class of object. For example, class of a is a child of object. If your class is extend any other class, then your class is a indirectly child class of object. Example, class a extend with b is a child of the object multi-level inheritance. Now see conclusions. In either directly or indirectly, Java want to provided the support for multi-inheritance with respect of classes. Now syntax. Public class employs extend object and extend object is no needed to the right. Control Shift T on open the object class, and control plus o is a all methods of object class. In object there are 11 methods are available. First, two string method. Second, hash code method. Third, equal method. Fourth, clone methods. Fifth, finalized methods. Six, get class methods. Seven, wait methods. Eight, wait in bracket long timeout methods. Nine, wait long timeout int nominous methods and notify. 10 and 11, notify all. In Java, synchronized methods and block allow only one threads and acquire to the lock of resource at times. So when wait method is called as the thread that is given up to the locks and resource goes to the sleep and util then the time when you wait methods is called as the threads, then is give up the lock of resource and goes to the sleep util some other threads enters the same monitors and invoke to the notify or notify all methods. Calling notify is wake up to the one threads and calling to the notify all wake ups to the threads and same object. Calling both these methods is does not give up the lock of the resource, and rather the job is a wake up to the threads and have been sent to the sleep statement using wait methods. Now see a big difference between the sleep methods and wait methods. That is, the sleep method is a causes to the threads and sleep is a specified amount of time, while wait is the causes of a sleep, and that is the notify methods and notify all are invoked. Now first, get class is return the class object used to informations about class, and return types is the class. Class is the class is the class in a Java package language. Syntax: public native class and get class. It is the native API. We cannot to override second equal object compared to object to return boolean results. Fourth is clone methods is create to the copy of existing object. Fifth, to string returns the string is represent the object and right clicks and source to the string methods. This will be override to the string methods. This will be print the format from string keywords value and pair the separate by commas. Six, notify methods and notify alls. Wake up single threads and waiting to the object monitors. When you implement, enter the threads and communication process used to the notify, and this wake ups to the single threads and the notify all wake ups up to the threads. Seventh is wait, causes the currently executed thread to wait. You can specify the time out the long and nanoseconds. Also, finalized methods is called to the garbage collections of object. GC is determines the no more reference to the object. Before the garbage collection, any object is finalized methods to getting the methods. Third is hash codes. Returns the value of the object, and hash code, which is the object is a memory address. If you override equal methods, and you must to have override the hash code methods. Such examples of hash code: first students s1 is equal to new students in bracket abc slash 98, student s2 new students abc 98, s1 is equal to s2, sysout sysout s1 is equal to s2. For example 1, write the clicks to the source of get hash codes and equals. You select the checkbox and OK. It will be override the equals and hash codes. This will be give to the output is a true. It will be checked to object are logically equal or not. Thank you.